Very good day. This is V. Ramavalaman. I would like to place a request before I start. Kindly listen to this video for about 2 minutes. If you find that this would be of useful to you, kindly proceed. Human resource is the one of the very indispensable resource where a person can be used for launching a rocket or any other kind of work. Whereas a machine or infrastructure designed for something may not be useful for different purposes as we can use any human resource. What do you mean by human capital? The human value. How the human value will be enhanced when a person's demand will be felt by an organization or by anybody. Only when a human demonstrates his skills, bringing some return to the organization, his value will be realized. So this is where we call as human capital. How to enhance the value of a human? Initially, when we enter an organization after college, we were at a zero. Just a fundamental. We had some fundamental knowledge. Then we gathered something, and we experienced something. We contribute something. After getting into the organization, how you will sustain your employment? This is where the employability comes in. So only when you demonstrate your skills so that the organization realizes that you are bringing some value to the organization will retain you. Today, running an organization is so difficult that we are in a position to cut short lot of expenses. When it comes to the cutting short of expenses, the first thing the organization will see that the training, consulting as a additional expenses. It is all necessary, but at the point of time, it takes the back seat. The problem here is, I will not blame anyone that people don't want to give training, but running the organization in real sense, it is such a difficult thing to operate. So this is the reason we as an individual need to upskill ourselves with all the necessary competency we need to acquire, by which we can exercise some value to the organization, by which we can demonstrate our demand to the organization. So in this regard, these are all the courses introduced which I was taking around uh, uh, a day duration. The total content of the program, whatever I was delivering in a day, I am just recording it in a matter of 1 to 3 hours maximum, 1 to 2 hours, maximum 3 hours. The cost what I was charging for this was per candidate. If I do it outside as a public program, it would be of 2500, and if I do this in the organization, it would be of 20 to 25,000. The same program is being given at rupees 400, just rupees 400. So whatever the list you see, these are all the programs being offered. The advantage here is you need not take leave from the organization. you can do it at your convenience. The duration of this program will be 2 to 3 hours, but the validity is only 1 day. So whenever it is convenient to you, the thing will be opened for you, and you need to complete this within 24 hours. Hardly it will take 5 hours for you to complete, not even 5 hours, be less than that, but I'll be giving a validity of 24 hours within which you have to complete this. So after 2 to 3 hours of the session, I will be asking some evaluation questions on which you have to get around 70%. 70% plus. If you get 70% plus, you can avail a discount of rupees 400 whatever you have invested here in 2 programs of 200 each in advanced course. If you are an individual, you can avail this discount in 6 months time, but you cannot transfer to anyone else. If this is being sponsored by an organization, the organization can avail this discount within 3 months, but it is transferable. For example, if a person X does this program and gets 400 points, 400 rupees as a discount, this can be used by another person sponsored by the organization, 200 each in another program in the advanced course. This is what it is. Let me introduce the uh, contents and benefits as a brief. Anyway, following this video, you will get the PDF and this brochure also to you. These are all the course content. Totally 20 programs has been listed. They are offered in 3 languages. Delivery will be in 3 languages. Presentation will be in English. So the contents, benefits, all of them are given here. All of them are given here. Okay. These are given here. So you can go through the video, the PDF file, and these are all the methodology and benefits which I have told. So terms and conditions, whatever I have told there, and e-learning series, advanced courses. These are all the list available now, which will be starting from around 2,500 onwards. So the price will be declared in the e-learning brochures. So whatever the price has been told, it is all the price fixed as on date. This is being recorded on 22nd September 2020. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.